Hey again. The layout that we designed in the previous video is not like professional enough. What I want to do in this video, I want to add image here, I want to change the style, just to get familiar with adding image and style. So first of all, to add image, I will use GIF format because the library that we use in Python does not support all type of images. So make sure you use the extension .gif. I will take it, add it here, then paste it. Here you go. Now what I want to do, I want to use this image in my application. I want to add it inside the button. So first of all, I need to load the image. So let me name it logo. And then I will say this logo take image, which is photo image. Then I give it file as input that have the path for the image. The path is inside my path, so I will name it login.gif because you are locating same path. If it's another path, please give it that path so he could access to it. Now I have logo, I want to add it to button. The process is really easy. You say just hey button dot config. Always we use config. Then you say hey, the image, this one uses logo, and where is this image located? So I say compound, like where I want to add this image, I will add in the left of the button. You could add it in the right of the button or the center of the button. So now if I rerun it, I have to see the button show here, but if you see the button size is too much because he will not show me the actual he will show me the actual size, but if I want it to appear a specific size, but he still added in the left of the buttons. If you see, if you want it in the center, you say okay, no, I want it in the center, and you stop it and you rerun it again. He have to show you that one in the center. See, it's in the center, but I don't want it in the center, I want it in the left. And one other thing, I need to reduce the size of my logo. So what I will do, I need to make it smaller. So what I do in this way, resize, I define a new variable, resize logo, and this resize logo will equal logo. I need to resize my logo dot subsample. I'm taking subsample from my image. If you see the image is too big, looking back here, yeah, I know it's taking now here, it's too big, so let me take only 10 from here and 10 from here, that only this side, like 10 by 10. But also you don't have to do only this one. Let me just do it in this one and I'll tell you another story. Just this one just make you familiar with the subsample. So I'll take 10 by 10. That's mean if this image I have it in this way, he will take 10 pixels from here and 10 pixels from here, and he will take only this square. So again, if I just want to show you by Dropbox, no, I want to draw tool. So what that means 10 by 10, I mean hey, go from here 10 and go from here 10 and take only this part for me. But let me just show it just how it works. So 10 by 10, then I want to resize it, really easy. Just again, I have this one, the button, I still have it. Then I say dot config, then I say open bracket image, then equal a new one. Okay, hopefully now it will appear in the way that we want it. If you see it still like it's not appear, see, it's now good. Yeah, I see it is good now for me. Now it's appear good, small size. So he make it 10 by 10. Sorry, he did not take 10 from here and 10 from here, he just reduce it to 10 by 10 as we see for now. So yes, this is how you reduce the size. But what about the styles? You could also use styles in Python. So to use style, first of all, we need to define variable that use it for style. So the variable that we use it the style, name it ttk style. So what I will do, I will after define the root, I will define something, name it style. Okay, I will name it ttk dot style. I want to use the style, and you could define different styles here. So going down, I say hey style dot configure, then give it any name. Let me change any button to any button that I have in the screen and change the color for it. So I say T button. Why T button? Because this is how they define the style for button. When I say T button, that means hey, any button I have in the screen, I want to change, for example, the background color, hopefully it's correct now, background. Yes, let me say and give it specific code. You know what we mean by this code. This is hexadecimal code for any color. Give it this color. I know it's too big, but yes, here is it. So TB color. If you now rerun your app, he have to be able to take this new color and apply it as a background for any button you have it. Hopefully, here you go. He changed that background to this color. Here you go. You are not restricted only with background color. You could do a lot. So think about you want to change the font. You say, hey, I have my font. I want it to be Arial. So I say Arial in this way. And I want the size of my font should be 18. Now if I rerun it again, I think I will not see anything because something coloring. See, something coloring the color because the color. So I will change the color here to this color, this hexadecimal color. Run it again. Hopefully I will see something. Here we go. See, the font size is changed, the button, and that is. So basically the idea of styles, you define your style, you give it name, what object you want. Button, you say TB button. He will apply it on any button. Whatever you want. You are going to give it specific name, give it. Here you give it the properties and value, and you continue. Here is it, the hexadecimal code for the color. Every color have specific hexadecimal code. You could know it by going here on Google and say image to hexa. He will show you a very easy way like how to convert any image to image to hex. He will show you there is many websites that, hey, color picker, you could pick any color and he give you the hexadecimal for that color. If I just select this one, he have to give me, here is it. If I select this one, he have to give me that one. Here is it, the hexadecimal. I could take it, I could go back in my application and replace it here. So if you are not familiar with hexadecimal. So now if I just rerun it again, I have to see it in different color. So yes, this is basically what I want to share with you. Hopefully you understand everything and hopefully everything was clear. Thank you for watching and see you next. I know background maybe is not something you are interested, so you don't see it in the way that you want. So if I say for a ground, hopefully for a ground work, I know because backgrounds mean something in background. I will see it a lot. Here is it. See, he changed the color for us. So yes, we will work a lot with background and we will change a lot in background. So don't worry. Here we done, and thank you for watching and see you next.